weti Mathis, baby Mathis. Una know that small pikin with Dangobert Nwafo. He waka party sote. He go reach his house, and then he put weti. He put net for his neck. Crap. He cut his hand. He kill him. For sika weti. Sika he get query weti papa for that pikin Mathis. So they call say Mr. Wanji. They did it now for some bar. What are they young? They look na ball. Tempers they begin run for air. He go reach for play with Dangobert. He want show that pass. Say Wanji say he to get ngum, but Wanji begin ngum pass. So he grow. He has now. He go take na knife. He enter Wanji house. He want kwara or he picking them. Two of the picking them. They see the camp. They run. They go hide inside room. And then Mathis, he be chop with bread and chocolate for palo. He no shake. He come. He choke his hand and then choke his neck. Now so the thing happen. They start holla. They then at the three. One do at the three. One only one. So the other one they never don't come out. Domo you fine. And then they don't carry you go place. Now they never carry go kondengi. The thing they be they say they talk say no for talking. They talking they do so. So artists they don't vex. Malox, le Viber, he don't vex. He say no they possible. Say the man must answer for the two he don't do. So plenty people they don't follow that movement now. For talk say, how he be say man fi kick mburu, na so they don't send it for kondenge. And then man fi kwara pikin, na so they know they send it for kondenge. Why he be say justice is there? So they ask themselves, question them, and then they campaign for say me they put the man that go back from Gata. It continue na very intense campaign now where the thing go viral. So on social media now, all artists them, comedians them, social activists them, they ask justice for Mathis.